DXP Supply Chain Services, also known as SCS, specialize in maintaining your maintenance, repair, and operating products and procedures, keeping them stocked and running at optimal levels, allowing our customers to focus on their core competencies. Our specialized programs digitize the customer supply chain, therefore improving efficiency, increasing uptime, and reducing costs. DXP SmartSource provides storeroom management and MRO procurement to establish best practices for inventory, workplace safety, and help with repairs and returns. SmartSource provides warranty tracking, accurate inventory data, and performance indicators. As a result, companies witness improved inventory accuracy with fewer errors. DXP Supply Chain Services provide operational excellence through customer-driven and specialized on-site maintenance, repair, and operating programs to improve efficiency, increase uptime, and reduce costs. Learn more about our full line of supply chain service offerings at www.dxpe.com/supply chain services.